I'm so disappointed at the moment, and I think I'm not alone, guys. We came here regularly take it you see the original music. Re fitlha ko gating ka kwa ba re botsa gore unfortunately re ka scan why ba re go tletse ka kwa njani guys we prepared like we came ka pele early not early gore like ka bo ma 2 but 3:30 4 we were here but still go tletse jwang guys how are we going to deal with this solution ke eng ko ba le re feng solution because ro ba ngata ba le gore re tswile a zanga ra kena tshware ke dipepe tsona di botlhoko you understand but
Are you gonna get a refund, or is there something that maybe they told you, or just because
that's one thing I was just asking other people here outside. I was like, guys, and then if so, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna get the refund, or maybe another match whereby, but or if you still have your ticket, you can still come, and then Uber say on last time or what? Because really, we are so many outside here. You understand that? And you feel like it's unfair to us. I mean, give math and people they came, they prepared, they bought everything, you know. Then the next thing, actually we got noise. It's our defense. They were like look guys. I mean it's unfair. So unfair. No, actually this is my first time get to shebella bolo like live, you know. So I can't really say for it. I just support.
Say, I'm angry. Like for today, it's gonna be first time for Arena. Young soul, I'm angry. Because I was still losing day one routine. Sold out. And it says, "Imani apanje for saying my ticket." I say, "I'm coming to play with my league for so time." I'm sure I put them time. Now, so like now, me understand day one routine. Yenza kanjani budget yami put them time. So if we go kuzoba kanje next time mabasitabi kuzoba kanjani ke. Ngiyangithola. Ngicela nabo sport mina ke we-arena le yamanje arena I'm still arena. High stadium I'm still arena. Yenu le yamanje le. Ngicela ukuthi nani ama-seat wenu wakhawunse kahle ke amatikiti wenu. Nisele sold out. Because mase ukanje hoy mina ngicela refund yami ngitshele ngisasa ke nisele WhatsApp or boutique ngingawani ngizonithola da. Ngizonithola da shem. Angeke bhuti omdala angeke.
We are not happy at all. We bought the tickets and then we come to the game. They are telling us that the stadium is full. So you bought a ticket and then what happened? When we came to the stadium, they're telling us that the stadium is full. The stadium is full? Yes. Did you buy the ticket at the... Compute ticket, yes.
I'm disappointed because I bought 4 VIP tickets. Each ticket cost me 700, 7, 14, 21, 28, 2.18. But I couldn't go into the stadium because floppy I work, and then at 5 I knocked off. I came here. I got here about my 20:06, and they didn't know that I was in. So Manje, I asked if we're gonna be refunded. They said we are not gonna be refunded. So Manje Kabanga 2.1. Guys, I work retail. My maximum salary is 6,000. I pay 2.150. I'm left with about 4,000. I have to pay rent. I have a child. I have to pay my tuition for school. I'm selling at 1,000, but in Patara 2.150 done.
How would you like PSL to resolve this kind of issue?
PSL they have to be convenient, and they have to think about us, because why? We come here 20:05. We can't go in. What's the reason of buying VIP if you can't go in? If I bought general, I'd understand. I generally it's Jack. So these guys who take payola and then the stadium is filled, I paid 700 times 4, 7, 14 to 128, 2.8. Sorry, not 2.1. I can't go in the stadium. 2.8. I can't go in the stadium to see my team play. So that much. These guys, they get paid. Yeah. Management has to do better, because guys, the stadium just upgraded. We moved from Orlando Stadium to Orlando Amsterdam Arena. So let's do better. You came to VIP, Jam Gena, over a week of VIP. Now I can't do anything. They said it's security, literally. Ne? If you look at me here, you see this sticker. Ne? If you look at me here, it said it's security to ceiling. Masaya is contained. So manje, what are we doing as South Africa to make South African soccer better? It's better in terms of ngathini, the papers is better, but naturally everything we see happen, we are real fans, guys. We buy these t-shirts, guys. I'm calling too much. This year, this t-shirt is 1.5. I get paid 8,000. I take 1.5. I'm left with 5.5. So please, guys, please, Orlando, please do better. Please think about us. Please think about the people who come here every day to see Orlando Pirates play. Please take us to head. I can't pay 700 for a ticket to stay outside. My 700 is gone now. Nobody's gonna say anything.
Look at me. I'm Pirates. I'm not here because you know why? We can find the seats.
Yeah.
I've been in a queue for 30 minutes. I've been in a queue. I bought a ticket online. Ticket Pro is failed. I don't know what is it. It's not Ticket Pro. I don't wanna fail any website, but it's not Ticket Pro. It's failing us. More than 30 minutes on a queue. We can't get inside the stadium. After getting inside the stadium, we can't find seats. Okay. After we can't find seats, we are cool with that. We can't get inside outside. The police, the metro, JMPD, they are not going to let us. They don't wanna let us go outside. So what is that? How do you pay 120 dog? 120. It's not even 60 rand.
What happened there about re tshelwa ka di-paper spray o tshwere ticket ke ye ticket still have it ke ticket re tshelwa ka di-paper spray ko gating for what? Why do you oversell? Like wena wa rekisa ke ropa re ntshwe ka fa.
So what are you saying that Halakena Stadium?
A ra kena ko stadium but re tshwere ticket even no re tshwela ka di-paper spray re shapo maphodisa ke yana a shebile rona like rona re batho ba rona. How come? And a go a tlala if wa sheba gantle wa itshona tse 2 for nna le prior